Hey, Freddy with CJ Pony Parts. If you've been following our Project F-150 EcoBoost, you've seen we've already done a lot of upgrades to improve the look of the truck, such as LED lighting, aggressive front grills, and fender flares. Today we're going to complement those upgrades by installing a set of PUTCO Black Platinum pillar posts. These PUTCO pillar posts are officially Ford licensed and have a hole for the factory keypad if your truck is equipped with one. These pillar posts easily install using pre-applied 3M tape, and today we're going to be installing them on our 2016 F-150 EcoBoost. The pillar posts are going to be installing on this section of the doors, and the very first thing you're going to want to do is wipe down the door with a supplied alcohol pad. With the surface wiped, put the pillar on the door and line it up and get a good idea of where you're going to place it. Once you have a good idea of where it's going, peel off a little bit of the tape cover. Put it back on and line it up to where you want it. Press it on. And work your way down. And move on to the other side. Same thing with this panel. Put it on, don't remove the tape just yet. Line it up to where you want it. Get a good idea of where it's going to be going. Now repeat the process on the other side and wipe off your fingerprints and your installation's finished. Our PUTCO Black Platinum pillar posts are installed. They look great. They actually look like they could be an original part too. Installation should take you about 30 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road.